Welcome back to Wiring Products. On this episode, we are going to work on heat shrink push-on connectors. The wire gauges are 22 to 18, 16 to 14, and 12-10. Today we're going to work with the 16-14. First, we are going to strip the end of the wire with our stripper. And you want enough stripped off that when you stick it inside your terminal, it reaches up in there. So it's only going to be about that much. You don't need more than that. And then we crimp it. Okay. And I'm going to put this to the side right now. We're going to shrink that down with some heat in a minute, but I want to get my other wire taken care of first. This is for my male connector. I got my female done already. So let's do my male connector. Stick it in. And we're going to crimp it. Squeeze it. And then I'm going to heat it. Okay, now you have to wait for it to cool. Okay, now it's cooled off, and if you look really close, there's an adhesive line right around the sides, and this is really tight, and that is snug. This makes it waterproof, it makes it dust-proof, dirt-proof, nothing can get in there. Now I am going to take my female, that's this end, and my male, and I'm going to connect them together. Wiggle, 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 push, and there you go. And this is our episode on push-on heat shrink connectors. And for more information on this product and others, come to wiringproducts.com.